Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we will understand about resistor voltage divider. We will understand the voltage divider circuit and how do we calculate the voltage across the resistor. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram for resistor voltage divider. Here we have input voltage V in, and then this is connected via a resistance R1 and R2, and we want to calculate the voltage across this resistance. Okay, R2, that is V out. Let us say the voltage across this resistor is V out. If you want to consider the individual voltage across resistor R1 and R2, so voltage across resistance R1 equals to VR1 and voltage across resistance R2 equals to VR2. So in nutshell, your input voltage V in equals to VR1 voltage across resistance R1 and voltage across resistance R2 plus VR2. Okay. So V in equals to VR1 plus VR2. So to calculate the output voltage V out, that means the drop across the resistance. That means the drop across the resistance. There is a two method to calculate it. One method is by using divider ratio, and another method is by directly using formula, right? So let us understand first by using divider method, right? So here you can see, if you want to calculate the V out, that means voltage drop across resistance R2, you have to calculate the divider ratio. So let us say divider ratio for V out equals to R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay. Once you get the divider ratio to find out the V out value, that means voltage drop across resistance R2 equals to V in into divider ratio, right? So this is the first method. Now let us consider if your V in equals to 10 volt, right? And let us say if your R1 equals to 10K and your R2 equals to 5K, right? 5K you R2. Now you want to calculate the voltage drop across your resistance R2, right? So first you have to calculate the divider ratio. So what would be the divider ratio? That means your 5K divided by R2 divided by R1 plus R2. 5K divided by 5K divided by 5K divided by 10K plus 5K. Okay. So if you calculate this, you will get, that means 5K divided by 15K. So you will get 0.33. So your divider ratio is 0.33. Now if you want to find out the V out, so V out equals to V in, that means 10 volt into 0.33. Okay. So your V out equals to 3.3 volt, right? One third of your 10 volt. So this is the first method. By using this method, you can calculate the voltage across any resistor. So this is called divider ratio method. Now we will directly use the formula, and we will find the value of V out, or voltage drop across the resistance R2, right? So let us use the formula directly. So V in equals to 10 volt into R2. R2 means 5K divided by 10K plus 5K, right? 10K plus 5K. So this will also give you 3.3 volt. So Basically, these two methods are very similar, are the same. It's up to you. If you want to calculate the divider ratio, then multiply with the input voltage. So you know that now your VR2 equals to 3.3 volt. So you can find here VR1. Okay. So VR1 equals to 10 volt minus 3.3 volt. This will result you 6.7 volt, right? This will result you 6.7 volts. Now I will find the power dissipation of these two resistance, right? So to find out the power dissipation, you have to calculate the current value. So let us say current flowing through this branch equals to I, right? So I equals to V in, that means 10 volt divided by 10k plus 5k, that means 15k. So if you calculate this, your current is 0.66 milliampere, 0.66 milliampere, right? Now if you want to find out the power dissipation, which is equals to P equals to I square R2. Let's say power dissipation of this resistance. So by using the formula I square R2, you can calculate the power dissipation of resistance R2. That means 0.66 milliampere square into 5k, you will get some value of your power dissipation, right? So thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section.